James with OnlineCarShow.net. In this video, we're going to be opening up the Petrol Box for November. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. Well, it's No Shave November, and as you can see here, I've got some scruff going. So if you'd like me to continue growing this beard and see where it goes, go ahead and hit that like below, and I'll continue growing it out. Also recently noticed that 89% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed to the channel. So if you could go ahead and hit the subscribe below, I would greatly appreciate it. Real quickly, as far as upcoming events that I've got on this calendar so far, I need to look a little bit better into seeing what car shows are out there, but nothing till December 14th. There's a toy drive being put on by Crew on Deck. You can look them up on Instagram and Facebook, I believe. They do some huge events. You know, it's muscle cars, it's racers, it's everything. Trucks, Jeeps. Be sure to come out to that event. It is a toy drive, so, you know, bring a good toy or something for a child that is less fortunate. Now, as far as the big question a lot of y'all may have is, what exactly is a Petrol Box? This is a monthly subscription box. They send you in the mail. You go to mypetrolbox.com. You tell them if you want a premium or a standard size box. This is the premium box you're going to see in the video, which is the larger size. You tell them which box size you want. You put in your shirt size, you put in your glove size. So that way, if they have your shirts or gloves inside the box, you can feel confident and rest assured they're in your size. So it's really cool. It's a car enthusiast box. So everything in here, you know, is car themed. What I really like about this box over some of the other options there are out there is the fact that this one doesn't just tailor to JDM or muscle cars or Mustangs or whatever. It's got its, you know, it seems like they put a lot of effort into finding stuff that, you know, will be liked across the car enthusiast board, which is really cool. All right, so here's the Petrol Box. We've got our premium box. It is a little bit different shape than usual. I'm sure there'll be a reason behind that. One thing I have failed to mention so far is there's another contest attached or giveaway attached to every Petrol Box. Anytime you get a box in the mail, there's a chance when you open it up, there can be a golden ticket inside. And that golden ticket gets you a free set of Rotiform monoblock wheels for your car. So that's a really exciting contest attached to this. So let's go ahead and see if I got the golden ticket. Come on. No golden ticket. Not this month, but we'll try again, right? It's really cool that it's contest attached, and here's the little, here's the little thing on the bottom, you know, get one of these and you win a set of these. Very cool contest attached to every one. This, by the way, is their contents. It comes in here, a little special thank you from Petrol Box with signatures, and then it's got, you know, the contents of each box, which I'll try to read off to y'all so y'all know what it is and who makes it. First thing I'm seeing here is it looks like an ad for this mat that's in here, so I guess we'll jump to it. It's a grip mat. Oh, really cool. So when you're working on stuff, you just throw this on it and, you know, it moves around things and holds your tools. Really cool. So when I'm working under the hood of the car, I can use this. That will be very handy. Really cool. And it feels really soft material it's made out of, plasticky, spongy. I don't know, it's really cool. So that'll kind of bend around things, I'm guessing, inside the car, let you to throw your wrenches and so forth in there as you're working on it, or sockets. And let's see what else we've got here. Ooh, really cool shirt. They usually put a shirt in every month, or gloves, or hat, something like that, some kind of apparel. Let's see what this one is real quick, because this caught my eye and I want to see it. Ooh, very seasonal for Christmas. It's a Christmas Car Guys shirt. Look at there, you got everything from snowflakes to little, you know, Petrol Box logos, the steering wheels, Christmas tree, racing helmets. Really cool there, Petrol Box. I'll probably wear that Christmas. So let's see what else we got. Ooh, Petrol Box license plate. This is actually funny because I just got a license plate from a really good friend of mine, Roger 1LE, and he's also in the car club and a neighbor. For my birthday, he got me a carbon fiber license plate frame. And I'll show you all a picture, of course, but it is freaking awesome. It's made out of real carbon fiber and it matches my car. So unfortunately, and because it's from a friend, I'm not gonna put this on my car. I'm gonna keep with that one that I have. But this is really cool, and I may put it on the Focus or something. Petrol Box on the top, then it says Race Brake Fix on the bottom. Looks like this came out of the box. Ben's Automotive Decor. Yeah, it's unique gifts for the auto parts and stuff. So it's a spark plug that's turned into a beer bottle opener. I'll definitely use that for the Coronas and stuff in the summertime for sure. But that is really cool. Autolite spark plug on the bottom. It looks like it's been welded and machined down afterward. Really cool. That's pretty cool. Definitely gonna use that. Ooh, we got 2 candies this month. I don't know if I got lucky or what happened. There's usually only one little candy in there, but we got a little trolley crawler minis and then a lemon head. My wife freaking loves lemon head, so I know he's gonna get that one. And in one of the last months, he said that, yeah, here it is, subby sticker. This is from Snake Oil Elixir on Instagram, at Snake Oil Elixir. He made a Ford GT one. I'll show you a picture here of in one of the last Petrol Boxes. It was really cool. And it looks like this is a little WRX. Really cool material it's made out of, and definitely have this in the toolbox right next to the other. Ooh, and then before we get to subscriber of the month, let's see what this is. Grassroots Motorsports. I definitely see the Camaro on front. Turgin. Pro Touring Camaro. Modern tech meets classic muscle. And then it looks like it's got a Hyundai on the bottom. Really cool. So it's like I said before, it's a mixture. It's everything from 350ZXs in here to muscle cars. So as always, they try to appease all the car lovers out there, and they do a really good job of it. So I'm definitely going to put this in for some bathroom reading. It is Grassroots Motorsports Hardcore Sports Car Magazine. Really cool. I'll put that back in for now. And here is the subscriber of the month. And look at there, muscle car. We've got a Ford Mustang, and it looks like it's on a Charlotte. Is that Charlotte maybe that's in the background there? So Charlotte Motor Speedway is where this was taken. Petrol Box subscriber of the month, Jason Van Hoy, November 2019, and it looks like a Ford Mustang S550 V8 5.0 Coyote. Really cool ride there, beautiful. That will go on the beer fridge, and as you can see here, I've got a nice collection of these going so far. So here's everything together. We got the subscriber of the month, the Petrol Box license plate frame, the Grassroots Motorsports Car Magazine, it's a Subaru sticker. We've got a spark plug beer bottle opener. We of course have the shirt from Petrol Box for seasonal shirt for Christmas. And we've got the grip mat. Really cool month from Petrol Box. I didn't know what to think, and I definitely see why the box was a different shape. I told y'all. So there we go. Ew, and of course the candy of the month. Almost forgot that. Can't wait to see what next month's gonna bring. Being Christmas time and all that, we ought to see some really cool stuff in the Petrol Box, so I'm excited. If y'all are not already members of Petrol Box, go check them out, mypetrolbox.com. It's the best monthly car guy enthusiast box you can get, or car girl, either one. As I kind of mentioned, there's usually car care products and stuff like that. I'm guessing they didn't put it in here because of the tray and the license plate frame and the spark plug, you know, bottle opener. So they had already kind of hit their limit on stuff, but usually there's car care products in here, stuff, it just ranges from about everything from gloves, car care, you name it, it's in the Petrol Box. Really cool stuff. It's always useful. I found out about new tools, new car care products that I didn't even know were on the market until I started using it. So go check them out. They're worth it. I want to say thank y'all so much for watching my videos. I've got a heat barrier video coming up here shortly. We're going to be testing how heat barriers work. If they do, if they don't, we're going to put a heat barrier around the expansion tank on the ZR1, and I'm going to do some before and after temperature checks and heating up the car and see if there's any difference in using them. So that should be a really exciting video, and I'm curious to see what the results will be. So thank y'all so much for watching my videos, and as always, I hope everybody has a great week.